Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'll show exactly how to send your location on Telegram using the latest updated method. Whether you're meeting a friend or sharing your live spot, this is super easy to do once you know where to tap. First, open the Telegram app on your phone and head over to the chat where you want to share your location. It can be a private conversation or even a group chat. Next, look at the bottom of your screen and tap the attachment icon. It usually looks like a small paperclip. This is where Telegram keeps all the options for sharing things like photos, files, and of course, your location. Once the menu opens, tap on Location. Telegram will now access your map and show your current position. If it's your first time using this feature, you might need to allow location permissions. Just follow the prompt and enable it so Telegram can detect where you are. Now you'll see your current location on the map. At this point, you can choose exactly what you want to send. You can either share your current static location or select a nearby place if needed. After selecting the location you want, simply tap the Send button. And that's it. Your location will instantly appear in the chat for the other person to view. This feature is really helpful when you're trying to meet up, give directions, or let someone know where you are without typing a long message. Give it a try the next time you're using Telegram, and you'll see just how convenient it is. Thanks for watching.